Movie Mommy Tears, you heard of it? Mommy Tears, come on, you guys. What was the catchphrase? What they say? Yes, indeed. The story goes, Mike, he was cooped up in one of his hotels. Okay, it was the Four Seasons, get over it, but it was, okay? He wrote that song after watching Mommy Dearest, and there came nightmares from that movie. So there you go, come on.
Yeah, it's a scary movie, alright. I didn't know I owned that hotel, but okay, we're gonna play
New song.
It's a brand new song. We have a new album in the works, just about finished, and there should be a new single off it pretty soon. It won't be this song, but this song will be a single probably in about 3 months' time, and it's called Him.